My friend, have you ever sat by a river and simply watched it flow? At first glance, it seems ordinary, just water moving from the mountains to the sea. Yet if you sit long enough, if you allow yourself to listen not just with your ears but with your heart, you will realize the river is a teacher. It whispers to us about life, time, patience, and the art of letting go. When I was a young monk, I often struggled with restlessness. My mind would run ahead of me, chasing goals, clinging to worries, regretting the past. One day, my teacher took me to a river and simply said, "Watch." At first, I was confused. What could water possibly teach me? But as the minutes stretched into hours, something inside me began to quiet down. I noticed how the river never resisted the rocks in its path. It did not fight them. It simply flowed around them, gently carving its way forward. Isn't life much the same? Obstacles will always appear, difficult people, unexpected challenges, moments of pain. But the river shows us that we do not need to crash violently against every problem. Instead, we can adapt, flow around it, and still continue our journey. Resistance creates suffering. Acceptance creates peace. The river also teaches patience. A drop of water alone is small, almost powerless. But when many drops come together, they carve valleys, shape landscapes, and create waterfalls. In the same way, the little efforts you make each day, acts of kindness, moments of discipline, small steps toward growth, may feel insignificant now, but over time, they transform your life. I remember sweeping the monastery floor every morning as a novice. Day after day, I wondered, does this simple act even matter? Yet years later, I understood. Each sweep of the broom was not just clearing dust from the ground, it was clearing restlessness from my mind. The river, too, reminds us that small, consistent actions have the power to change the world. Then there is the lesson of stillness. Have you noticed that when the water is turbulent, you cannot see your reflection? But when the river is calm, it becomes like a mirror. Our minds are no different. When filled with constant noise, worry, anger, endless desires, we cannot see ourselves clearly. But if we cultivate stillness through mindfulness, meditation, or even a few quiet breaths, we begin to see our true reflection, who we really are, beyond the chaos. Another lesson the river offers is impermanence. The water that touches your feet in this moment is gone the very next. Life is like this, ever-changing, never fixed. We often suffer because we try to hold on to things that cannot stay. Youth, possessions, even relationships. But the river reminds us that beauty lies in flow, not in clinging. When we learn to let go, we learn to live. And perhaps the most profound teaching is this: no matter how far it travels, the river never forgets its destination. It may twist, turn, and slow down, but it always moves toward the sea. Likewise, each of us has a deeper purpose, a calling within our hearts. Life may not always be straightforward, but if we remain true to that inner current, guided by kindness, wisdom, and compassion, we too will reach our destination. My friend, as you listen to the sound of the river, ask yourself, where is my life flowing? Am I resisting, or am I moving with grace? Am I clinging to what must pass, or am I embracing impermanence with courage? Am I scattering my drops of effort, or am I letting them flow together towards something meaningful? When you next encounter a river, pause for a moment. Dip your hands into its cool water. Watch how it moves. Feel how it carries both strength and gentleness at once. And remember, the river is not separate from you. You too are part of this great flow of life. So, my friend, may you live like the river, patient, adaptable, calm, and always flowing toward your true purpose.